Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I update my kitchen for less than $100, guys. I am so excited to share this video with you guys. And before I jump into the video to show you guys the big reveal and everything, I recorded how my kitchen was before, so I decided to give you guys a little preview on how my kitchen was before so you guys can have an understanding of everything that I have done. It's not like I didn't like the way my kitchen was before, but I got tired of the brown cabinet. I wanted something bright, I wanted more light, because also in this channel, if you guys know, I also post quick and easy recipes, so I wanted my pictures to be really nice. And guys, I am Claude Mott, if you don't know already. I am the owner of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an online business that I created a couple years ago, and in this business I sell all-in-one organic blend seasoning. My seasoning are gluten-free and they're chemical-free, guys. So the link is located below. You guys can go ahead and check that out. And just a quick disclaimer, guys, I have a big sale going on this Black Friday that's going to be 40% off with free shipping. I'm also going to have some gift basket, some cremas bundle, so please remember to check that out. And guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please help me grow my channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. If you have anything that you want to share, any question that you have, remember to put it below and I will try my best to answer. And everything that I'm using today, guys, I have them either from Amazon and Homegoods, and I will make sure that I link everything that I am using below, and I am going to try to describe as much as possible. Alright guys, so now keep on watching, and this is how my kitchen looked before. And this is the contact paper that I'm going to be using as my backsplash, and this is the contact paper that I'll be using for all my cabinet. Guys, I'm going to link everything that I'm using. I will put them down in the description box. I got them both from Amazon. And this is the contact paper. It's a white marble contact paper that I'm going to be using for the counter. So guys, I always wanted to put some light under, the cabinet. These lights will be going under here and here, and I was really looking for these on Amazon, and they were a little bit pricey. And guess what, like we all do, I know you do it as well, I went to Homegoods to get, what did I go there to get? I think I went to get some either curtain or some trash can or whatever, and I started wandering around like we all do, and I found these, and I believe I found them for $14. Yep, soon as I found them, I grabbed them, and they were the only one, but I only have 5, and I think that should be enough. So this is the degreaser that I'm going to use, and I found this at the dollar store. So guys, before you use the contact paper, make sure that you clean and wipe the wall, because you don't want no grease or no residue in your wall. It's a kitchen, you never know what might be in there, because you don't want no residue and nothing in your wall. So just make sure that you clean everything. And also for the door, oh my god, I hope you guys can see. Also for the door knuckle, however you call these, I'm going to spray paint them silver. And I got this can from Home Depot. I believe it was $4. So I'm going to take them out using a drill, and I'm going outside and I'm going to spray them outside, because I don't want to get the paint on anything else. I am super excited, guys. I don't know how long this is gonna take me, and I hope everything come out nice, because as you can see behind me, I hope you guys can see. I mean, I know it's a little bit messy right now. I have the microwave on top, but I ordered something that I'm going to mount the microwave here on top of the stove, and I'm going to show you that as well. I just checked on my Amazon, and it says that it was on its way here. I just hope it arrived on time, but I'm going to mount the microwave here. I don't think I'm going to put anything else on top of the fridge, because I want this space to be usable. But this is the kitchen behind me. Yeah, we're gonna be using a lot of contact paper. Well, either way, I'm excited, guys, and let's get started. Remember to subscribe. Yeah, I never made it to American Idol, but just subscribe. You get it. Okay guys, now this is all of them, and I have them outside facing upward position. I didn't spray them inside, and I'll show you guys this is what I'm gonna be using, because you don't want to be spraying these inside your house because you don't know what type of chemicals in there. So I'm like outside, and guys, while we're outside, look at that. Look at my plant. It's late falls, and look at these. Yo, I just grabbed a bunch of jalapeno in these, and they're still having more. It's late fall, and they're still giving me some nice peppers. So as long as they are giving me peppers, I'm gonna try to keep them, you know, alive. Look at that. All right, let's get back to spraying. So there it is. And there it is, guys. I just sprayed them, so I'm going to let them stay out here all day. And when you are spraying these, guys, try not to breathe over it. I wasn't wearing a mask and the smell is not pleasant, so I'm just going to let them sit all day while I'm working in the kitchen so they can get dry, so I can install them back later in the cabinet. Okay guys, sorry if I'm moving so much, but before you guys ask what are the tools that I'm using, so I got this from Amazon. I got everything from Amazon for $4. So I think this is like a little knife, and it really help you when you are putting the contact paper when you have it over, and it really help you, you know, to cut the borders so you don't have any deformation. And I think this one, I don't really know what this does. Maybe it help, you know, to push everything here, and I think maybe this one help, you know, so you don't have any bubbles. I think that's what it does. But hey, we're just going to try them out because this is like a trial and error. And I got a little paint in my fingers when I was doing this, and my nails are chipping, so don't mind that. But yeah, so before I put the contact paper in each doors, and these are the file cabinet, I have them right here. So before I put the contact paper and everything, I'm just going to spray a little bit of degreaser and everything and give it a quick swipe so that there's no grease or anything in there interfering with the contact paper. And we are going to start installing. Oh boy, my confidence is wearing off. I was so happy to do this, and now the contact paper keep messing up. This one is very thin, but hey, trial and error. I'm going to learn along the way, but I just wanted you guys to see I'm still in the first one, so no, I didn't finish them. But yeah, trial and error. Yep, we're still working. Hey guys, after half an hour struggle, first file cabinet is done. I think this is going to take me all night, but it's okay. I don't have nowhere else to go. So this is the contact paper I'm using. This thing is very thin, but hey, but this little tool right here is very handy. Very, very handy. Yep, I'm going to make everything that I'm using in Amazon, so whew, time to get into the second. Hey guys, I was looking on YouTube to see how I can get rid of bubbles, you know, with those contact papers. And I didn't realize that I have not a heat gun. How do you call these? Yeah, I think that's what it is. But for my seasoning business, I use this, you know, to seal all my jars. And I have been using this, and it is working like magic. So guys, this is us working on the door. I'm telling you, this thing is not easy. I've been watching YouTube videos, and people are showing you that they're doing this like 1, 2, 3. Patience is key, but I don't know, my patience ain't even showing up right now. But yeah, just letting you know the progress. We're still working on the doors, and yeah, we'll get in there hopefully. That's what we have so far. So guys, it is night and I'm still working. So I started installing the contact paper and the wall. If you are going to do this, guys, make sure you take the whole day off, because this thing takes time. The way YouTube, you know, they've been showing people doing it very fast. It's not that fast. This thing takes time, and it needs a lot of patience. All right, I just wanted to update you guys on what I'm doing. I can't wait to show you guys the final viewing. I know it's going to be nice because I really like this. Look at and they overlap so nicely. Yep. Okay guys, we are finally done. I am in love with the new update. And this is some quick pictures, guys, to show you what the kitchen used to look like before. It was really nice, but now I'm in love. in love. And this is what the kitchen look like now. Look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? I cannot believe this cost me less than $100. Less than $100. And guys, I'm going to show you a quick video, a quick walkthrough so I can show you guys what it look now. I am shooting this video at night, so the lighting might not be, that great, but I tried my best. And guys, if you like this video, please remember to subscribe. And I decided to not put the microwave up here anymore, and decided, to turn it as a little tea nox where I put things for my tea and added a little flowers, to make it look pretty. But this is what everything looks now. It is very beautiful, and these are the countertop, and these are the light under the cabinet, and these light you can change them color. And now it's about to be Christmas, so now I can have them on and change them color so they can look like, really like a beautiful little tree under there. But it's not a tree, just a light. And I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this tour. If you have any question, make sure you comment down below. And yes, guys, I got everything, most of the things from Amazon and HomeGoods. I think I got some stuff from Burlington as well. But guys, I am in love. It is so beautiful. What you think about this new update? And guys, for this little corner where you see my protein powder, I have a little rack coming up that I'm going to put there, but I ordered it from Amazon. It didn't get here on time, and I didn't want to wait. Guys, let me know what you think. And make sure you comment below. And please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you can share it as well, guys. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.